one of these around here?
Yeah, one of these.
Hey, all right. Huh? Okay. All right. Hey, everybody. The little tuk-tuk action here. I'm Daniel. This is Cartoon. We're in Chiang Mai. We're gonna go check out some Michelin nodded crispy pork, soup and rice, and all that action. So we're already here, so we're just gonna get right into it. Yeah. It's always so dark in these like local Chiang Mai food places. I need to sit closer to the light, dude. Like, it's too dark. We're going over it. Yeah, the soup, right? Like the Guay job, and then I want the one with the mude or the mook crop.
Oh, you want a meat?
Well,
Oh, they don't have mood there.
okay, so it's like the pork belly with the that sweet sauce. Yeah, I want that. And then they also have those like spring roll things. One of those. All right. Okay, so I kind of checked this place out online a little bit.
Yeah.
There it is.
So, to me, Guay chap is all about the noodles. I don't know if you can call it noodles.
It's almost like a wonton wrapper, and then it just kind of throw it in there, right? So this is the Guay chap, like the actual.
This is the Guay chap noodle.
Got it.
So it's like this is rice noodle.
It's like a square, and then it just kind of rolls up, right? Oh, okay. And then also, we got the liver.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, we got two. Oh, Jesus. All right. And then what is this one called? The moo crop. Moo crop. So, yeah. So this is like direct translate crispy pork on rice with this very like epic, very thick sauce on top here. So this is like a classic Thai dish. You can find it pretty much anywhere, even in Bangkok too. But this version looks very good. So we have like a little soup side, I guess. This looks great. So let's like get into the soup a little bit more. So this one is actually not so if you head to Bangkok and you get this dish, it's basically like all organs. I mean, it's like a lot of organ meat, but this one seems to be very heavy with the pork belly. Got some pork sausage too. Looks really great. So this actually looks more appetizing than what you'd find in Bangkok. And then of course this yeah, I mean the original dish is like a cow moudang.
No, it comes like together.
Right, but like what is this like slurry called? That sauce, like, but like that's how I define the dish. Like whatever, it's like pork bits with like that slurry on top. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Yeah, it's always a little dark in these like local Chiang Mai spots, but doing the best I can. So as I've had this dish, it's generally a very peppery broth. So let's see how they do it up here in Chiang Mai versus the Bangkok version. Oh, I'd say this is more porky, less white pepper, but definitely you can taste the white pepper. But it's not overwhelming like that famous one in Chinatown is in Bangkok. Really porky, white pepper back. Let's get this noodle and the pork belly in one bite. Oh my god, that is so good. Let's try this soft sausage. I don't think I've ever had this before. I think it's just a pork sausage. It's very soft though. Yeah. It's like a white pork sausage. That's nice. This just came up. Not sure how I'm supposed to eat this, but it's like a little bit of everything. We've got some tofu, quail egg. Kind of move this around here. So the noodles are below here. This is not the roll, actually, Pet. This is not the spring roll. It's just a bunch of noodles.
Oh.
They also have this.
Oh, I ordered the wrong one.
So what did you order?
I ordered Guay Tiao Lord.
Okay.
The other one should be Pop Pia Sot. You want that one too?
Yeah, might as well grab it. So we ordered this on accident, but this is just like, you can actually find this in Bangkok, Chinatown as well. It's like just rice noodles, heavy soy on the bottom there. Like, usually vegetarian. Except it has no shrimp. You guys get 4 dishes to the board. Yeah, 4. Give this a shot. Heavy soy flavor, really nice. Yeah, so here's this dish. It's mostly just heavy soy. I feel like we can throw a little bit of a little disaction on there. Yeah. And I would say the flavor profile here is very light, and everything probably needs a little, I feel like it punchy, then I throw a little fish sauce on it. How was that? It's pretty nice, right?
But it's a little different.
It's super porky with just like the white pepper back, right? Whereas the Bangkok version is just it's like overwhelming white pepper. That's all you taste. So actually, I kind of prefer this one a little bit. It's very well balanced, but I think it definitely needs a little bit of the condiment action in there, right? So this dish, I guess we might as well get into this while we're here. This is mudang. No, mukrab. This is mukrab. Well, I mean, this specifically is mukrab, like the actual pork belly. But yeah, it's a very interesting version. There's like a lot of this like thick, viscous sauce. It's like really hardcore. It's pretty good. All right, let's just go in. Let's get it done. It's a little on the sweet side, but not crazy sweet. Put a little chili flakes on there just to kind of balance it out. I feel like it also needs some of these. Just a little sour. I have Bangkok palate, you know, so it needs to be like spicy, sour, rich, salty, fatty, like bitter. Well, let's see that mix up in there. Yeah. I like pickled chilies. This nice chunk here. Got a chili on there. Little crispy pork belly action. Oh. Can't put my finger on the spice mix, but it's definitely like Chinese spice, maybe, sort of. Not sure. But I would think most of this stuff is like Thai Chinese stuff. No?
Yeah, but normally we wouldn't put like chili flakes and that in. That's supposed to be for this.
Oh, okay. So this is supposed to be for this. Okay. I just kind of threw it in everything, but got a really nice little. Oh, and then the spring rolls came too. So we have like sort of food. Alright, let me just hit this one more time. And or not we're, but I am being a super fatty. So this is basically like one portion for one adult. I'm just ordering a bunch of food, so keep that in mind if you're showing up. I'm sure there's like sesame seeds in this too. Kind of has that vibe to it. Maybe a little peanut? Yeah. Oh, that's really good. And the next dish. Bam. These look like spring rolls, and they like literally are. So, kind of curious here. Get you guys a better view. Wow. It's looking pretty good. I feel like, yeah, this is wheat for sure. But there's actually like 2 rolls. And then inside it's like stuffed with, it's like bean sprouts, tofu, or like the spongy tofu. And some cucumber. Let's see, these chilies are pretty inviting though, so. Oh, there's like it's like a tangy sauce on top there. And I kind of want to eat it with one of these. Because I'm a masochist. Those aren't spicy. But as you can see, the inside of it, yeah, it's kind of just like a roll. It's like a veggie roll. It's not fried or anything, but well, kind of nice. Want to try it? Just spoon that one there if you'd like. Tastes like a fresh veggie roll kind of thing.
Sweet.
Yeah, everything seems to, I mean, this is sweet for sure, this one. This is super sweet, like 100%. This is like very soy sauce based. And this is white pepper pork. I think those are like the flavor profiles. Let me actually hit this one again because I didn't get too creative with it, but I threw some chilies on there, like the pickled ones. Got the mushroom, tofu. I mean, it's just a very neutral dark soy.
I try.
Yeah. Is it even the right angle?
That's okay.
It's not a flavor powerhouse, it's just kind of like an appetizer. For sure. But it's a different flavor profile than everything else. So if you want, if you like more like soy saucy based stuff, I think you might like this a little more than this, which is like savory, spicy, sour, sweet, you know? Like a sweet chili paste or sweet chili sauce. But I actually like this. Yeah, I like these little sponge tofu. They have like a little like liquid in there. When you bite into it. Yeah. This you can find in Yaowarat in Bangkok for sure. I just need a few more bites of this bad boy. I'll get back into the soup. Yeah, there's this sauce all over everything, so you can't really see the pork belly, but it's pretty high quality. It's not super fatty or anything. It's just good. Yeah. Thanks, babe. That is nice. So I went ahead and I added the pickled chili and also the sauce. Let's see what kind of it punched it up a little. Yeah, I mean it's still super porky. It's kind of hard to describe, and it is very different than the Bangkok version, because you know we're in northern Thailand, so the flavor profile will be slightly different. But they did give me a nice like hunk of liver here. Wow, that's a pretty good liver actually. And you can see the soup is just like, it's just so porky, like it's really amazing. I think this is almost like a bratwurst. It's just like a white sausage, not a lot of flavor, really fine ground. Not a huge fan of that, but pork belly is the star of the show, as you can see here. I mean, it's like, look at that. There's almost no fat in there, so it's very lean. This is what you want in a pork belly, dude. I don't think overly fatty things, you know, mess up your digestive system or something. It looks like there is some other organ in here. I'm not sure what it is, but I'm more of like a liver only guy. I don't really like to eat the other bits, you know. Now, this is unique to this restaurant, or maybe Chiang Mai in general. I'm not 100%, but so their like general flavor profile here is just like clean. That's how I would say it. I mean, like all the flavors are well defined. It's not MSG laden. There's not any like weird stuff going on. It's just like very clean, very like homemade, like family generational kind of like recipe flavor profile. This is actually pretty good. This is not bad too. But I think my personal favorite is this one. I just really like it. I like it with like the raw scallion too. So take the meat, take the rice, take the sauce, in the mouth, cucumber, green onion. I love this egg. Yeah. This is very satisfying. If you don't want something soupy, I would definitely recommend this. I mean, at this restaurant you can just, I think, order mu krop because they only have one version, but you know, this is an ingredient as well, so you could have like kaprao with mu krop as well. So yeah, I don't even know what this is called, like how you would order this. Just if you were referencing it, I don't even know what to say. It's just like mu krop with this like sweet sauce with like a mudang sauce kind of. I don't know.
Just order cow mu krop.
So cartoon just said it's cow mu krop, which just means rice and pork belly. But I guess it defines this dish, so this is very satisfying. Oh wow. It's pretty good. But again, the flavor profile in the north here in Chiang Mai is going to be like, it's northern type. So you're going to lack the super punchy flavor profile. It's going to be a little more mellow. You know, I don't think I've had like pepper lime leaf or lemongrass the whole time I've been on this trip, you know. So it doesn't have the super herby, over the top kind of stuff. But it is like, it's very mellow. You know, if you like roasty, savory, sweet, that kind of flavor profile, then yeah, northern Thailand is definitely for you. If you like that, you know, super high heat, walked, like with punchy flavors, you know, spicy, sour, like then you know you're gonna be more in the central Thai kind of, you know, Bangkok style stuff. I also noticed a lot less fish sauce here in the north. Where like everything in central food is like fish sauce heavy, so it's definitely gonna give you a different, you know, taste profile. Cheers. Oh, there's this finished up. There's some soda water. I think it should be under 500 baht.
385.
Yeah, so that was like alright, so that was like 385 baht. So about $10 for two. And like we didn't even finish it. I guess it's like, well, I mean, cartoon ordered two of these. We actually just wanted one. It's fine. But yeah. So thoughts?
I like it.
No?
It's like easy. You don't have to think a lot dish.
Did you eat a lot of this growing up? Because I know you like this one.
I like this one.
Yeah.
That's what I told you. It's like easy dish. If you cannot think of anything, just come here and everything's just like ready to eat and it's good. So
it's like the northern Thai version of like kaprao or something. Like it's just like a default.
This is not northern, so you can find it anywhere.
Yeah, I was just saying, yeah, this is like, but the flavor profile is northern, I think, no? No, it's you're right, because we've had this in Bangkok, I've had this in Bangkok, it's pretty much the same. This is a very high quality version of it, but yeah.
So it's just, it's everywhere.
Okay.
Regardless of the region. So if you want a cow broth or Guay, I'm sure you can find it. Anyway.
Yeah. Alright. Well, cool, ladies and gents. We're gonna head on out here. Soda water. Woo!
Oh, so cool.
Man. So yeah, as you can see, super local action. It's pretty cool. So, I mean, we're just like down this like rando soy actually. And apparently there's another like more famous kway chap place inside the old city where the tuk-tuk driver got confused. That one doesn't have a Michelin bib gourmand though. This one actually looks better, but I don't know. I haven't had the other one, so I'll put this location below because you know if you want to try this one, it's not. The tuk-tuk driver might bring you to the wrong one. So cool. Yeah, we're coming up to the end of our little Chiang Mai trip here, but I think there's gonna be a couple more videos still. Definitely a couple before here too. So yeah, we will see you in the next video then.
Yeah. Bye.